hearts that'll hold in the light of this moon. My mind keeps searching, but my heart decides.
The Māori Women's Welfare League was started in the 1950s to help our whānau that were adjusting to city life and the political situations of the time.
It's all about the essence of wāhine and to help support and uplift the mana of our kaumātua and forebearers before us.
I think one of the things that's really exceptional about the League is, first of all, we're all whānau. And what we're teaching is manaakitanga. We're getting our young people to catch it, as opposed to us teaching it.
And in first place we have Jacinta no Ōtako.
So our region is Te Waipounamu. We're a huge region. We've got 13 peka, and so the regional hui happens before the nationals, and we had the opportunity to put all our whanaungatanga onto all the people who attended the regional hui, and we had the AGM Friday night and conference Saturday night, Hakari Saturday night, which was amazing, and prize giving for the competition pieces, and purapura aki on the Sunday.
What's mine is lost to time, our home is in space. The bird who walks the line just use those wings and rise. Moon mother, open your eyes.
I have many favourite parts. Seeing the aunties get down and boogie at the hakari is always a favourite for me. I love seeing them let their hair down.
The favourite part about this is actually making it to Blenheim and seeing the young people stand up and run a conference. And I think they've done tremendously well, and I think they ought to be commended for the way they conducted the work.
Favourite parts of this weekend is this beautiful marae, the whanaungatanga, and the kai has been really beautiful.
I think a lot of people think the league is for old women. I'm 44, so it's not. You can be young.
The Māori Women's Welfare League is important because they're innovative, they grow leaders, they are focused on housing, education, health. They're spearheads, they're inspiring and strong women that I really look up to as role models.
It's about being kaupapa driven, not just about the self, and it's the betterment of us all, mā tātou.